In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Base44. Transferring ownership is an important step when someone new is going to manage your workspace, whether that's a team lead, a project owner, or an account administrator. I'll walk you through the entire process on screen so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account with the profile that currently has ownership or the necessary admin permissions. Once you're in, start from your main view and click on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access different parts of your workspace, including the user management area that we need for this process. From the dashboard, look for the section or menu where you can manage your workspace settings and click on Users. This will take you to a list of everyone who has access to this particular app or workspace, along with their roles and permissions. Take a moment here to confirm that the person you want to transfer ownership to is already listed as a user. If they're not, you'll need to invite them and make sure they've accepted the invitation before you can proceed. Once you see the correct user in the list, move your cursor to the right side of that user's row. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on these 3 dots. This is where Base44 groups actions that are specific to each user, such as editing roles, removing access, or in this case, changing ownership. After clicking the 3 dots, a small menu will appear. From this menu, select Change Owner. This tells Base44 that you want to make this specific user the new owner of the app or workspace. Keep in mind that ownership usually comes with the highest level of control, including billing, configuration, and access management, so double check that you've clicked on the correct person before continuing. Once you choose Change Owner, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Base44 may ask you to confirm the change, and in some cases, you might see additional information about what ownership transfer means for both you and the new owner. Read these details so you understand what access you may lose and what the new owner will gain. When you're ready, confirm the action. After you complete the prompts, Base44 will update the ownership. It's a good idea to refresh the users page and verify that the new owner is correctly labeled. You can then let that person know the transfer is done, so they can start managing the workspace.